transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. Oh no, for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. You back am I fine, furry friend? Yes, as we agreed. You let us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? The first order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember.
Flight engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing button. You better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly up, and push forward to fly down. This will be easy, eh?
Let's go!
Numbers are online.
I wasn't! I was right! Come on!
Now let's go with that glass job. Right, pilot. Make the jump to light speed.
Light speed! Light speed!
Wow.
Yes, keep shooting. It's locked onto us. Take evasive action. Okay, it's one to us. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friend. The power of the ship. Well, I grab the go axiom. You see, just as I promised, my friends, now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something from Otto. Line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Gunners, shoot the train. Yes, keep passing those good girls.
Good job, team!
Good job. There you go.
Oh, my friend. Yes. We got the collection. I am to grab it. You keep up the train.
Oh, you guys got it. There we go.
Fire missiles at the train. Hurry.
There you go.
Nice shot, guys!
Is collapsing. We made it. Don't believe it, but we made it.
Let's see. Nice.
Yes, Julie will pilot us in. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This would greatly help the resistance.
That's so
You
cool.
have heard the first order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is...
Oh,
hey, not
8,000!
bad.
Way to go, everybody! Yeah!
All right. Good job, guys.
Yeah, good job, everyone.
All right,
Nice.
damage report. Engine failure. All right.
Find out one.
Well, we did it.
Hyperdrive
We did it.
leak.
Good job,
That is
Dad.
not too good.
Where are they going now?
Multiple hull ruptures. Well,
Hull ruptures.
could be worse. One